This building is kind of tall. If you don't believe me, just look up. Anyway, this pointy bad boy is Taipei 101, briefly the world's tallest building. I've never been to the top of it. I watched it being built over 20 years ago when I was coming to trade shows in the World Trade Center, which is like over there, I think. The earthquake dampening system in this thing is super impressive. Giant moving dampening weight that kind of looks like something that you'd have to defeat at the end of a movie with evil robots and Will Smith. Like, it's wacky. So I'm gonna hit, I think, the last sunny day I've got on my vacation in Taipei, and hit the observation deck and see the sights from the 87th floor. Find a bubble tea and some lunch, soak in the sunshine, figure out what I want to do next, aside from edit this video and post it so that y'all can have some content while I wander around the planet. Anyway, stay tuned for whatever I feel like editing next.